Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Nico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today is Singles Love Reading. Okay, so ang reading na ito ay para sa lahat ng fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius na single at the moment. Okay, looking for someone special, waiting for love na mangyari sa life nila, manifesting relationship, connection from your person, and manifesting love in your life. Okay, so if you're in a relationship at the moment, okay, happy kayo sa relationship nyo, may okay special someone, you can either leave this video behind or stay and support my channel. Baka may kilala kayong fire sign na nangangailangan ng guidance, you can relay this video to them or supportan nyo lang yung aking channel by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. At sa mga bago na sumusubaybay, sana supportan nyo rin po ang Mystico Moreno channel by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Comment lang kayo sa baba, lalo na kung mag-resonate itong reading na to. Okay? Maraming salamat. Thank you sa lahat ng support. Para mag-grow yung channel ko at makagrow pa ako ng maraming reading, continue supporting. Alright, so bubunot ako ng 3 cards from this deck. And this will be the overall energy ng reading. And from there, interpret natin siya. We'll go deeper using tarot. Okay? So, bubunutin ko yung 3rd card. Dahil March ngayon. So, first card, appreciation. Nice. 2nd card, endurance. And last card, affection. Ooh, nice. Okay. Halos magkakakulay ng cards, butterflies. Alright. So, itong person na darating sa life mo will show so much appreciation sa iyo. Okay, what I can sense here is itong taong darating sa life niyo, this new love, is someone na ipaparamdam niya sa inyo na appreciated ka niya. Appreciated niya yung efforts mo sa relationship, appreciated niya yung mga pinapakita mo, pinaparamdam mo, yung mga, not just efforts, pero yung you being there for him or her. And yung simply because also na nandyan ka, dumating ka sa buhay nila. Ayun, ipaparamdam talaga nila yun na na-appreciate ka nila. Na-appreciate nila na mahal mo sila. Okay? And di pa, alam mo rin naman how good it is to be appreciated. And lahat tayo, lalo na sa relasyon. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, lalo na maraming nakikipagrelasyon na hindi naman sincere and na-feel lang natin that we are taken for granted. Walang ganong energy with this person and lagi niyang ipaparamdam sa iyo na appreciated ka niya. So, it's a good thing. And card of endurance, what I can sense here is that this person, marami na siyang pinagdaanan. This person is wise, has a lot of wisdom, dahil marami na siyang napagdaan at nalampasan in life sa mga relasyon na karoon siya in the past. Okay? And not just romantic, but also platonic relationships. Na from there, natuto siya kung sino talaga yung mga importanteng tao na bibigyan niya ng pagmamahal or ilalagay niya, invest niya yung mga efforts niya and energy niya So, and ipaparamdam niya sa'yo yun ng buong buo kasi alam niya yung mga, based sa mga experiences niya at sa mga napagdaanan niya in the past, that he or she was able to endure. Okay, alam na niya yung mga kailangan gawin, dapat at hindi dapat gawin sa isang relasyon. Kaya ready na siya and with you, di ba, mas magiging okay ang lahat kasi alam na niya kung ano yung mga dapat gawin sa isang relasyon. Okay? And affection, yeah, it's just showing so much affection sa relasyon, sa inyo. Okay? So, mafe-feel mo siya na na punong-puno siya ng pagmamahal sa inyo. Yung very devoted, very um, maalaga, alam mo yun, yung um, ipaparamdam niya sa'yo na dahil appreciated ka nga niya, i-reciprocate niya yun. And as a sign of appreciation talaga, magiging sincere and magiging expressive siya yung how he or she will express yung love sa'yo. Based din syempre sa love language na meron itong tao na to. Okay? Alright. So claim this energy, appreciation, endurance, affection. So what I'm going to do now is to project this energy of appreciation, endurance, and affection papunta sa inyo. Lalo na if nag-resonate, I'm manifesting this with you. So you have to claim yun na itong energy. Comment yun na below to seal the energy, appreciation, endurance, and affection. Okay, so what I'm doing is projecting this and helping you manifest it. So all you have to do, syempre, is to just accept, claim this energy. Kasi if, even if I manifest it with you and project this energy, if hindi nyo siya pinaccept, tinanggap, dadaan lang siya. Okay? So, if you want this energy to resonate really sa inyo, claim nyo na. Okay? And along with your own manifestation, isama nyo na itong manifestation ng energy mo. Okay? Dahil napakaganda ng energy ng taong darating sa buhay. Alright. So, yan. Punta na tayo sa tarot. Okay? And bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck. And while binabalasa ko ito, gusto ko lang i-remind ang lahat that this is a collective reading. So this may or may not resonate with everyone. So dahil I'm trying to tap the energy of all fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So pwedeng matap ko yung energy nyo, pwedeng hindi. So if hindi siya mag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Okay? Abangan nyo na yung mga susunod ko pang live reading. Baka yun yung mag-resonate na. Or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos or mga previous videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon yung mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? Kaya in-invite ko rin ng lahat, lalo na kung gusto niyo talaga na naka-align lang sa energy ninyo mismo, you can try and book a personal reading. Okay? Email nyo lang ako, nasa baba, nasa description box ng email address ko. Yeah, send lang kayo ng inquiry. I will respond naman agad. Okay? Try nyo lang. Alright. Sige. So, simulan na natin. Bubunutin ko rin yung third card from this deck. And let's see ano yung energy na masasabi. Yung detalye na main energy ng reading na to. So, first card, Seven of Cups. Second card, Queen of Pentacles. Third card, Six of Swords. Fourth card, Queen of Swords. Fifth card, the Temperance. Sixth card, Four of Cups. Okay. Seventh card, Eight of Wands. Okay. And last card, the Judgment. Okay. Alright. Bottom of the deck, Page of Pentacles. Lagay natin siya dito. Alright. So, nagsimula siya sa Seven of Cups. Nag-end siya sa The Judgment. Okay. And before ka tuloy, there's a strong energy of Sagittarius and Scorpio. So, pwedeng yun yung signs ng person ninyo. Doesn't have to. Yun na strong energy na sagap dito. Pero, check nyo na rin. Baka ito rin yung signs ng person ninyo sa kanilang moon, Venus, and rising placements. So, check nyo yung sun, moon, Venus, and rising placements nila. Baka yun yung sign na yun. Okay? So, pwedeng ibang signs pa rin naman. Yun na yung strong energy na masasabi sa reading na to. Okay, so Seven of Cups. Okay? So, itong person and itong connection na paparating is something na kailangan yung pagdesisyonan din talaga if you will accept this new love coming into your life. It's like, ang nakikita ko dito mayroong magiging indecision when it comes to committing to this person or to this relationship. Mainly because ang nakukuha kong energy or nararamdaman ko dito is dahil single kayo for a while or pwedeng ang first relationship nito. Kaya naninibago kayo. Lalo na if meron na kayong na-establish yun na yung parang independence or parang nasanay na kayo na maging independent, na walang kompromiso with other parties. Alam niyo, nagagawa niyo lahat yung gusto niyo, yung mga bagay-bagay na yung mga plano niyo. Pero kasi syempre, iba na yung dynamics, di ba? Kapag you go or commit to a relationship. So may mga compromise, may mga adjustments, may mga situation na hindi nyo na magagawa or mag-iiba na yung way kung paano nyo siya gawin. Okay, pag naka-commit na kayo with someone versus nung single pa kayo. So, kaya dito sa Seven of Cups, it's a card of indecision kasi. What I mean is, pag dumating itong person sa buhay niyo or magparamdam na siya, magpakita na siya ng motibo, medyo sasabihin, nakikita ko energy dito, sasabihin, wait lang. Pag-isipan ko muna. May mga ganong, dahil kahit mina-manifest niyo siya, kasi iba yun, syempre, yung manifestation, you have this idea of the ideal, you know what I mean, idealizing and dreaming of this relationship. Pero minsan, hindi siya yung magiging reality. Pag dumating yung tao, pag nakita nyo na yung dynamics nyo together, kahit gusto nyo siya, at gusto nyo ang isa't isa, minsan, mapapaisip ka. And it's normal lang naman. So, just take your time and everything will go well naman. Ito yung energy. Kaya nga, kanina gusto kong i-claim ninyo yung energy because para madali na lang tong pag-decide. Kasi ito, kung darating tong person sa buhay ninyo, diba? Magdadalawang isip ka pa ba? Very appreciative itong person to, very wise, full of wisdom from the experiences, and full of affection. Okay? So, and yung energy of affection and appreciation, nag-reflect pa siya dito kay Queen of Pentacles, which is a card of so much comfort and someone that you can depend on. Alam mo yun, na alam mong express niya, ipaparamdam niya talaga sa'yo na mahal ka niya. And so much comfort. Ito, yung image pa lang din. No? Yung energy ba ng care ng isang nanay sa anak, may ganun. May ganung energy itong coming relationship. And kaya lumabas din dito si Six of Swords is just a reminder then for you to just surrender to this. Kasi kanina, ito, meron ng energy na parang nagdadalawang isip ka pa. Pero parang sinasabi ni Universe dito, you just accept and trust the process. Di ba? Surrender lang sa experience na ibibigay ni Universe sa'yo. Just try it out, di ba? Kasi hindi naman din right instant, di ba, na na-meet mo siya, nandun na lahat ng appreciation and yung affection, di ba? Let the relationship grow. Kalma, di ba? So, just surrender, accept, and trust that everything will work out as what the energy is uh, meron sa reading nito, sa relationship nito. And itong Queen of Swords, di ba? So, from Six of Swords, Queen of Swords, so there will be a clear communication between you and your person. Mataas yung EQ nitong tao na to. Very wise nga din siya. Queen of Swords is a part of wisdom. Okay? Alam mo kung bakit mataas yung EQ nitong person na to? Dahil nga, alam niya napagdaanan. Alam niya talaga yung mga dapat at hindi dapat gawin sa isang relasyon. Ano yung meron at wala dapat sa isang relasyon. Okay? So, and this person can communicate well. Can communicate na hindi ka matitrigger, masasaktan kasi maayos niyang sasabihin or yung mga point of views niya, yung mga ideas niya, yung mga beliefs niya, and yung mga um, experiences niya na would help sa growth din. Shown here by the temperance, there will be a balance na eventually. Once na you really commit to this relationship, or once na, di ba sinasabi ka ng Six of Swords, you really will just have to trust and accept and experience and surrender to this connection. Itong temperance card, pinapakita dito that there will be balance. Emotions will be managed well sa connection na to. There will be so much moderation, okay? And, pero nakikita ko talaga energy dito, okay? Sa'yo, na medyo talagang, ano ka pa, parang naninibago. Kasi hindi ka parang fully maka-commit 100% sa relationship. Maybe because on your end naman, either may mga past experiences ka that parang that made you um, sort of guard your heart a bit. Okay? Pero dito, as shown here by the Eight of Wands, uh, na excited ka rin sa connection na dumating, di ba? Maging excited ka. And Eight of Wands is a card of momentum. So, mag-proceed lang siya, mag-grow tong relationship na to. So, ikaw, I can sense here na mag-adjust ka rin towards this connection. And by the end, yung kahantungan din pala, what I mean is, in the end, um, you will decide din naman to go na. Go, go, go. Diba? Kasi judgment is also making the right decision. Okay? And I'm sure na pag-isipan mo naman din siya ng matindi and yung decision na gagawin mo is the right decision. And I can sense here naman, like, lalo na um, sa ilalim ng deck, what's hidden is the Page of Pentacles, which is, okay, Page of Pentacles is a card of long-term potential. Okay, di ba napakaganda? I mean, hindi mo, parang sinasabi dito, parang hindi mo nakikita at the present moment na parang may long-term siya. Pero if you just allow this energy, this love, this new connection to just proceed and continue and to grow with this momentum and you having the right decision, ito, tama yung maging decision mo because this connection will be something long-term. Okay, kaya claim nyo na again yung energy of appreciation, endurance, and affection. Okay? And everything will work out well. Okay, so sana nakatulong itong video na ito. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you sa suporta. Again, use this reading as a guidance only and use it with discernment. Okay? Nasa sa inyong kamay pa rin ang kapalaran. Alright? So, kita-kits na lang sa mga susunod ko pang love reading. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Miss Mo. Okay? Kita-kits. Ingat.